Hi, good afternoon, sir. My name is Christian M. Noche from Humboldt. Muster Station. Muster Station is designated area on a ship's or offshore platforms. It is where crew members and passengers gathered in the event on an emergency. It is typically marked with clear signage, and it's included in the vessel safety plan. So, what is emergency procedures like fire alarm? Stop all working immediately, alerts others and proceed to the nearest muster station. Alert others and team should report to their assigned duty station. Fire response team should report to the assigned duty and close the door. And ventilation openings to contain the fire. Prepare fire extinguishers, hoses, and firefighting equipment. Follow orders from the officers in charge. Then, sa General alarm stops all operations and proceed to the master station. Follow all captain's instruction and await further announcement. Then next, prepare for the possible evacuation for further emergency action. Then next, abandon the ship. Put on the jacket and grab any necessary survival craft. Proceed quickly to your master station. Follow crew instruction for lifeboat boarding and maintain calm to orderly movement to avoid injury or panic. Man overboard. Shout mount Shout mount overboard in a point in the direction of the person. Throw a life ring or buoy into the water. Then alert the bridge immediately. Reduce ship speed and begin search and rescue operation. Launch rescue boat to necessary. CO2 alarm. Immediately evacuate to the area. Close all ventilation and doors to contain the fire. Account for all personnel to the master station. Then fire team should follow orders before activating CO2 flooding system. Engineer's call. Engineers must report to the engine room immediately. Assist the station. Follow the chief's engineer's instruction for coordinating action. Cargo handling. Sounds the alarm and notify the bridge. Determine the source of the flooding to try to isolate the effects in area.